Telmo, where are you? Hello, have you seen my brother Telmo? Are you coming, Telmo? It's time now. We're waiting for you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'd forgotten about it. The thing is, my mind is somewhere else.
What are you thinking about?
About my super girlfriend.
Your girlfriend? You have a girlfriend?
Yes. And she's so pretty and sweet.
Since when?
Since this morning in the garden.
And she already said yes?
No, I haven't asked her to go steady.
You haven't even asked? So then she doesn't know she's your girlfriend.
No, not yet.
What are you waiting for?
I can't do it. If she says no to me, I won't have a girlfriend. It'll be a tragedy.
But you don't have a girlfriend now.
Yes, I'm almost there. I just need the other half. Hello, my friends. We are here.
Have you picked a project for today? It was your turn to think of one.
Yes.
Well, what is it?
See if you can guess it. Or.
Well, I can't think of it. I know, an ostrich.
No, Tula. Hold on. Let me give you more clues. Or.
Now I got it. You're a hen.
Yes! We're gonna make hens out of clay.
Oh, how fun! That's a great idea.
Let's go over the materials we need.
Clay.
A smile. A piece of string.
Acrylic paints in different colors.
A few locks of beautiful blonde hair.
You mean colored feathers. Telmo, pay more attention, please. A wooden knife.
Little case. Oops, I'm sorry. A piece of wood and some scissors.
Paintbrushes.
Now let's get started.
We grab a chunk of clay and we shape it into the body of the hen, giving the shape a head and a tail. We created a flat base so that the hen can remain seated. We prepare 4 smaller balls, 2 for the wings and 2 for the feet, and we shape them. We grab 3 more little balls and we create the beak and the crest and the chin.
Oh, poor Paquito. What happened to you?
Telmo, isn't that your egg?
Oops, I'm sorry, Paquito.
Now we need to prepare the hen so we can add the feet and the tail. We cut 2 pieces of string in order to make the feet. We make 2 little holes in the base of the hen's body, 1 for each leg, and then another on each foot. We also make a hole on the tail so we can add the feathers.
They have to be sufficiently wide and deep so that the string can go through.
We have all the parts of the hen ready to go. Now we're going to place each one in its place except for the feet.
All right, this is done now.
Now that we have finished the hens, what do you say we give them to our grown-up so he can put them in the oven?
No, Tula, we're not on that show anymore, Telmo and Tula the Little Cooks. We're doing projects now.
No, silly, we're not going to eat them. It's just so that the clay will harden.
Oh, all right. Grown up!
Can you put these 2 hens to cook in the oven at 250 degrees for 20 minutes? They're looking really nice, huh?
They are, but wait until you see them finished.
Now we're going to mount the feet and the feathers on the tail. We cut 2 pieces of string. We put a little drop of glue in each hole and we insert the ends of the strings in each one and we let them dry. We put a little bit of glue on the feathers and we place them inside of the hole. We paint the hens however we would like.
Be very careful with the glue. Try not to get it on you and remember that you just need 1 drop.
If you get the glue on your hands, wash them right away and you should be fine. What are you doing?
I'm gonna use this leftover string to make my girlfriend a ring.
Great idea.
I'll give it to her when I ask her to be my girlfriend.
You mean like a promise ring? Well, you better start thinking about the splitting up of assets.
What is that?
Well, when you get married, half of your toys will be hers and half of her dolls will be yours.
Half of them? What do I do with 300 dolls? And my dino will also be part of the split?
Everything.
I don't care. She deserves everything.
Well, now we have the hens painted. Now we draw the eyes with a thin paintbrush. We can draw them in many different shapes to make our hens look either sleepy or really happy.
What do you think? Did they come out well?
Telmo, we have to go.
We have to go? To where? To see my girlfriend? Yippee! I'll give her the ring and introduce you.
No, we're going to the eye doctor.
But I can see just fine.
But I don't think your hen can.
Oh, the poor thing. I'll put them on her right now.
Well, now we have our hens finished up.
You can make them as many different colors and sizes as you want.
Until you have a complete hen house.
See you later, my friends. Tula, can I say hi to my girlfriend in case she's watching?
But of course.
Hello, I really miss you. I'll see you tomorrow. I have a surprise for you. And we can talk about the splitting of assets later.